This is component one in our go-kart. You're going to take the red back plate, and then you're going to take two of the red 2x4s and connect it to the back of the plate, like that. Then you're going to take the 1x1 piece and place it on the end of the plate, like that, and then another one on the other side, and then you're going to take a 1x4 piece and place it on the end next to the 1x1, and do the same for the other 1x4 piece. Then you're going to take the 1x2 piece, red piece, and then place it in the middle, and take another one and place it right next to it, and then take the black piece and place it on top of that. That is component one. All right, this is the component two for our go-kart. First, we're going to grab a 1x6 tan piece, and then the two 1x1 red pieces, and put them on top of each other, like so. And then you're going to grab a 2x2 piece with a knob at the end and connect it in between the 1x1 pieces. Then you're going to take the other 1x6 pieces and stack them on top of each other. And then connect the one piece you just made and stack it on top of that. Oh, wait. Like that. And then grab the four red pieces and stack them together to connect the two pieces. Then take your hood ornament and attach it to the knob of the 2x2. Alright, this is the third component of our go-kart. You're just taking component 1 and component 2 and connecting them together to create the front piece of the go-kart. This is component 4 for our go-kart. You're going to take the 1x2 gray axle piece and connect it to the wheel. Alright, this is component 5 of the go-kart. You're taking component 3 and connecting component 4, the wheel, to it on the left side. For component 6, you are taking the axle and connecting it to the wheel to create the second wheel. For component 7, you're taking the wheel you just made in component 6 and connecting it to the body on the right side. For component 8, the steering wheel, you're going to take the black plate and grab the two 2x4 red pieces and make a sandwich, a Lego sandwich, just like that. Then you're going to grab the 2x2 with the knob at the end and connect it to the sandwich, and then grab the steering wheel and place it into the knob. That is component 8. For component 9, we are taking the steering wheel part and connecting it to the main part of the body, and that's how you make component 9. For component 10, you're going to take the clear plastic windshield and take the two 1x3s and connect them at each end of the plastic windshield. This is component 10. For component 11, you're going to take the windshield and then place it on top of the front end, like so. And that's what it should look like. This is component 12, the rear axis for the wheels. You're going to take the black 2x8 plate and connect two gray knobs to the end of the plate, like so. And then you're going to take the sloped red pieces and place them next to the gray parts, like that. And then you're going to take the 1x2 pieces and place them in front of the slope pieces. And then after that, you're going to take the right angle black plates and place them on top of the gray pieces, like that. And then you're going to connect the black and gray pieces and take the final red piece and connect it into it. And it should pivot. And then you're going to connect that to the base of the back plate. And then you're going to finish it off by connecting the two wheels. For component 12, you're going to take the two red pieces and connect them, and then bring in the blue plate and connect them to connect the whole piece together. For component 14, you're going to take the fin you just made and connect it to the rear end like so. and it should look like that. For component 15, you're going to take the two red pieces and connect them again, and then place the blue backplate to finish off the piece. It should look like that. For component 16, you're going to take the fin you just made and connect it to the rear axis like that. So you should have two fins on the rear axis, and it should look like that. All right, for component 17, you're going to take the two 2x4 blue pieces and connect them together, and then you're going to take three 2x1 pieces and place them on top of the 2x4 pieces to connect them together. And then you're going to take four gray knobs and you're going to place them on the side of the 2x4 piece like that. And then you're going to take two gray rails and place them on top of the knobs. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Take the knobs and place them on top of the 2x4. And then the two gray rails, attach them to the knobs, and that is component 17. For component 18, you're going to take the rear end and the component 17 you just made and place them together just like that. For this component, you're going to take the 2x1 red piece and connect it to the side of the 2x2 black piece like that. And then you're going to take the four white knobs and connect it on top of the 2x2 black piece. For component 20, you're going to take the component you just made and connect it to the back end of the thrusters like that. And it should look just like that. For the final component, you're going to take the front end and the rear end and connect them together in the middle. And it should look just like that. This is your final go-kart. This is what it should look like all around. That's the side there, the back end, the other side, and this is what it should look like under it. All right, ride it in style.